I'm going to explain how to maintain a multiple SSH keys, means how to maintain a multiple GitHub accounts in a single system. I'm going to create a one SSH key and I will associate this SSH key to a single account, and we'll try it will clone, it will work or not, and then we will start doing the second one and we'll try that how to maintain the second account. Now I'm creating a new SSH key by using SSH keygen. So S just I created a new SSH key. You can see. Okay, we'll directly go into the folder. Yes, it's created a key with public key and as well the key file cat. This is the SSH key generated by this. Yep. Just I will include this in my profile called Venkatasai Katepalli. Go to SSH thing, include this. Add this SSH and we'll try to clone the private repos. Go to repositories or else directly go to file repositories. Here there is an AWS developer. This is the private repository. We'll clone by using this. Open a new command line. We'll create a directory called demo. We'll get into that. There is nothing in this folder. Oh, it's clone. Yes, it's working. We'll see it created the host with the SSH or not. Nope, created. Now we will try to add one more thing. Here my requirement is I have two GitHub accounts with name called Venkatasai Katapalli and with the name called V Katapalli. Venkatasai Katapalli K12. Here I have two GitHub accounts. I need to maintain these two in my system. By this is a private repo. If when I'm cloning here and I'm trying to clone here, now this is one thing. I'm trying to clone this. Oh, it's asking the permissions. I'm supposed to use this in my system. For that, what I'm doing is I'm to create a new SSH. I will add one more SSH key to my system. I will name it as d_rsa_ k12. It's created one more SSH key file. Now I will add this into my account. Now I will try by adding this into my account. just added this key. Now I will try to clone this repository. Oh, still not. Why? Because we need to have some configuration to clone the second repository. I will show you how to configure those things. Here we have this only public keys and known hosts of the SSH. Here we need to include one more file called config. Here we need to include the accounts host. By default, this will be the git configuration, git host configuration. This is I'm making as an office account. This is to be by default, it will be on work. The host will be, host means whatever we are the host name we are using to clone via SSH. Here the host name is, you can see this basically. Here the host name is github.com is a host. This is the git is the command line tool at host name and our username and the repository name. By default, the configuration will be like this. You need to include one more configuration. This is the personal account. Which is name called Venkatasai K12, and I'm just changing my host name to some personal dot or something. You can specify it as some whatever it is. Personal. The host is GitHub. User is Git. The file is. You need to specify your SSH files to check the SSH key. This is the file. I'm just named as a personal. Need to use this in place of github.com. Need to replace that personal in that github.com. Here my requirement is this. Here we need to replace GitHub with personal. Yeah, it's working fine. You need to check what's the configuration. Yep, it's treating the host as personal. Whenever you call this statement, it will go to the git command line and it will go to the SSH and check for the git personal host name. We'll just display the config. It will go to the personal here host configuration, and it will go to this host via using this SSH file. It will authenticate and it will return the response, and it will work on this. If I want to add one more file here, JSON file status. Okay, you can do whatever you want here, and you can work on these commands, GitHub commands. It will work on that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.